my name is Aslam Moolla and I am a registered attorney, and in today's video we're going to be covering CCMA settlement agreements. In particular, what is a CCMA settlement agreement and how do they work? In other words, if a person signs one, is it binding? Can you have it enforced? Are there any consequences for signing one, etc., etc.? So let's get started with it. What is a CCMA settlement agreement? As the name implies, it is an agreement that's signed by the company and the employee at the CCMA. Generally, the CCMA has no part to play in that settlement agreement, meaning they will only help facilitate a discussion. Generally, the agreement is signed at conciliation or even at arbitration, etc. That means that both parties have agreed to settle the case. The CCMA is not going to make a ruling. It's just a settlement between both parties who agree to end the matter as it is. Generally, every agreement has clauses relating to what happens between the parties. It's going to contain your name, details of the company, what are the terms of the settlement. Very important to make note. If the company has agreed to pay you a sum of money as part of your settlement, the amount of money must be clearly stipulated on the agreement, and also the payment date. Very, very important. The company must agree to pay this amount by a specific period of time. Make sure the agreement is signed by you and signed by the company, and it is signed in the presence of a witness. Generally, it will be a CCMA commissioner. Now, if both parties sign the agreement, can the company escape signing a settlement agreement? Absolutely not. It is a binding agreement both on you and the employer. If the company does not comply, maybe they don't pay you on time when they agreed they were going to pay you, then you can go back to the CCMA and have that agreement certified by the CCMA, meaning making it an order of court. You then take that agreement and go to your nearest sheriff. You can Google their details, and the sheriff will then go to the company and start attaching assets to the value of that agreement, whatever amount that's owing to you. Or if they agree to reinstate you, then you can also have the company owners be held in contempt of court and they can be sent to prison, etc. So there's very, very serious consequences. In summary, what have we learned today regarding CCMA settlement agreements? Generally, a CCMA settlement agreement is signed by both parties in order to settle the matter. Number one. Number two, generally it contains an amount of money that needs to be paid as a settlement for ending the case. If that amount is there, it must be clearly stipulated, payment amount and payment period. And lastly, if the company doesn't comply, you can have it certified and the sheriff go to the company premises. If you need help in your situation, you're more than welcome to click the link below and book an appointment with our office. I wish you all the best, and I'll speak to you soon.